Hi guys, thank you for watching. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the makeover I made on my studio. And the one you're seeing right now is actually the before look of it. So as you can see, it's kind of messy. Most of my things are scattered. And I'm actually not happy with this setup. I've been wanting to do the makeover since last year, so I am really excited to show you the makeover and the stuff I bought to organize my things. So basically, I bought these items from Daiso, Japan, and Japan Homes, and also most of them are from Shopee. I hope this video helps if you are also planning to do a room or desk makeover. I also did try my best to make it look aesthetic, and if you're into that, I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoy it. glad that you've reached this part of the video and you were able to see the reveal. I can say that it's not yet totally completed because I still need to put some shelves for my paintings, perhaps just right above the pegboard. But of course, I am certainly satisfied with this outcome and it gives a fresher and new look for my studio. And the most important thing is that it's now organized. If you guys want to check the items that I featured on this video, you can check the link down below. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know on the comment box. And yeah, this has been May. I hope you enjoyed this video and you all have a good day. See you in the next one. Bye!